Students from across the world come to LPU to experience global learning, practical exposure, and cultural exchange. This time, 4 students from the Philippines arrived for a month-long internship to explore academics, agriculture, and life in India.
Hi, my name is Janelle May Garcino, a fourth-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics from West Visayas State University, Calinog Campus, Philippines. I came here in LPU for a 1-month internship and it has been an amazing learning experience. Inside the campus, I've been observing classes and exploring different educational apps used in teaching. These apps can be used as an instructional materials both inside and outside the classroom. I also have the chance to teach in Delhi Public School where I gained confidence and great experience in teaching diverse students.
Hello, I'm Vea Arcigono from the Philippines. I'm pursuing Bachelor of Science in Agriculture major in crop science. Being here in LPU gave me the opportunity to explore advanced farming technologies and practical agricultural training. Hi, I'm Agnes Jade Angelo Blanza, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture major in Animal Science. Here at LPU, we experience hands-on learning through different activities like post-harvest processing and value addition. We even made jams and snacks like namkins with different flavors. It was very exciting to learn by actually doing things.
Hello, I'm Kent A. Marcalensha from the Philippines. What I really like here at LPU is the focus on practical training. The teachers are very skillful and their teaching methodology help us learn new skills and knowledge.
Students here are very friendly and the teachers are very kind and supportive.
We also tried many Indian foods like masala dosa, gobi paratha, and chai, and I really love the flavors.
During our first week here, we visited many amazing places like Golden Temple and Wagah Border. It was a wonderful cultural experience for us.
The campus is very massive and convenient for students. Everything is available here, and I've made many great friends during my stay. I also attended the Spring Flower Show and learned how to make tea from different flowers like roses, calendula, and hibiscus. We are very grateful for this opportunity at LPU and hope to come back again someday.